Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can split a PDF document online in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to the PDF converter or editor you're using. I will go with this one for the sake of this tutorial. So what you want to do is here on the home page, navigate to a feature called Split PDF, like this one here. And what you want to do after that is upload your PDF document. For example, if you'd like to divide it into page 1 and 2. Just remember that the maximum file size for some of these PDF documents or some of these converters is limited, like to 100 MB in this case. Locate the PDF document on your device. Wait for it to finish loading, and here to the left, you will see these pages. So we got page 1, page 2. Select go to split in the top right, and now you can position this splitting here between page 1 and page 2. If your document had more pages, you could move that, of course, and confirm the split by clicking into this button in the top right, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.